Welcome to the recipe report. Today we're going to make a mason jar Greek salad. I am always trying to get my greens in, so this is an easy one and I can carry it to work. The recipe, if you guys want it, is in my 10-day jumpstart, which is on my website, drtaz.com. All right, I'm always trying to get my greens in, so I'm going to take about a cup full of greens. This is just a mix of spinach with some other mixed greens in it. You can use anything. You can use kale, whatever you've got, it doesn't matter. And then I'm taking about a half a cup of some of your favorite Greek salad ingredients, right? So we've got chopped tomatoes here. I'm pouring all of that in. I'm also going to pour in chickpeas. I'm choosing these chickpeas today because they do have protein. Now you could do a hard-boiled egg instead. I'm kind of feeling the chickpeas today, so let's put those in there as well. On top of that, we are going to go ahead and put a half a cup of chopped cucumbers. Love cucumbers. That's a great way to control salt and chip cravings, if you know what I mean. I wouldn't know anything about that. And then we've got about a quarter cup of chopped olives, so we can add those on top. All right, as a final step, you can always add dressing. This is my favorite. It's balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Easy, about a tablespoon of each mixed together, and I'm pouring it on. Now, if you're headed out the door, you may want to carry this with you so it doesn't make the entire thing real soggy, but if you're ready to eat it, go for it. And then on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of feta cheese on it. Now, I know a lot of people have dairy intolerances and issues with dairy. There are a lot of vegan cheese options as well that you can use instead, but this, by the way, is one of my favorites. So I'm adding all of that back on here, and we're done. So easy, under what, a couple minutes, and we've got our lunch, dinner, snack, you name it. Use it however you want it. We have it ready to go with tons of healthy ingredients. If you like this recipe and want more from the recipe report, remember to like and subscribe. I post new videos every Thursday.